How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video, and a different one at that. So I bring you my new car. Yes, it's a Honda, and yes, you're right in thinking that is a red badge, so does that mean yes, it's the Type R? So I bought myself an EP3 and a 2003 pre-facelift for that, and trust me, there's not a lot of on the road and running as I speak. So what makes this car different than any other, older car from that era, and why am I wearing gloves, and what's this video about? So what I'm bringing to you today is the third modification that I'm doing to the car since owning it in the space of 2 months. So I've already installed the subwoofer I had in my other car and the touchscreen I had in my other car. That's now gone. It wasn't passing the MOT anytime soon, so I had to get rid of it. So now I'm bringing in the next modification, which I picked up, which I haven't actually seen any other EP3 owner have in their car, which is a cold air intake, and no, it's not the one that scoops up there. It's a different kind of cold air intake. So let's go quickly grab it, and I'll bring it over now. So I picked it up second hand, and it is a ITG cold box, max oxy box. I found it on Facebook Marketplace. Some dude was selling it up in Scotland, and I was like, I like it in red. Red. That's kind of the colour scheme I'm going for. I think every other Type R owner or an EP3 owner kind of goes for the same colour scheme, but it red, it carbon, first bit of carbon going in the car. Why not make it the cold air intake, and it's not your classic sucky boot thing. So yeah, this is the ITG Max Air 2000 oxygen cool box thing. All I know is it's an airbox. This goes into the throttle body, that goes into the engine, and this clamps down. So if you're ready to install, let's watch the old airbox come out and the new one go in. Love your faces. Let's get to the time lapse. So as I'm all done now, I'm just going to quickly, before I put any covers back on, the new air box is in. I have a bit that's just open there that I need to get some hosing for. We're going to crank her over, see what she sounds like. Hopefully I won't get any warning lights on. And then put the casing back on and take her for a test drive. Let's see how it goes. Rookie mistake, leave something on the bonnet. Everything's plugged in. Let's get fired up. this is. First one that we have. That sounds so nice. Alright, so bad news for anyone who wants one. ITG don't sell them, but Tigwa do, but they're on 2 to 3 week backlog. I picked up, so I don't think I said, I picked up mine on Facebook Marketplace for £112, that's with shipping, from Scotland, and they go for around about £500 to £600. I saw one on eBay for £800. Don't know why, but you also, if you buy the new one, you do get the little hose that runs out there. Now, it's something that isn't on normal EP3s. I see everyone with a scoop that goes up there. I personally like them, but if everyone's got one, what's the point in having the same one as everyone else? It's got a bit of red, it's got Tigwa, ITG, which I've never heard the brand before, but I just like the red. They do performance stuff, I've realised now. So let's get this put back together quickly, and let's get it out on the road, and you guys can come along and listen to those VTEC boost revs going off the charts. So I'll see you in 5 seconds. First drive on the motorway, the ITG cold maxi air oxy boxing. Just get around here. We've already had some big noises out the engine. Feeling the power increase, and thank you to my lovely camera woman Hannah. Let's see what it sounds like with a gear drop. Oh, listen to it! It doesn't sound that loud, it's not obnoxious. This is with a stock exhaust, and I mean stock. Everything about this car was what it came out of the factory, and yes, I feel like I'm demolishing the original EP3, but do not worry guys, I am keeping everything in case I ever need to sell this absolute beaut. I can put it straight back into the car as it came out the factory. What I'm doing is just giving myself some fun to play with, and I am absolutely loving this car. So we're coming up to a bridge now, and I'm going to get her absolutely roaring. We've got a nice set of traffic lights here. So after the traffic light's been and gone, we will come back. I can't wait to get my Japs, speed, exhaust. I got so much coming for this car. I got so much planned, so please make sure you tune in to the next episode on what's happening with my EP3. And yes, we're not keeping that name. We're probably going to move to something else because that's not the best thing. But yeah, I'm not going to do what everyone else is doing, apart from I've got a couple of dress-up bolts on the way. I've got an engine management light which has been on since I bought the car. I got it for so cheap. I got this car for $3.5 grand. It's when I bought it was on 73,000 miles, and you know, it's 2003, and I'm absolutely loving her, and she is hell to play with, and I can't wait. We're going to Jap Fest at Silverstone this year, next year, basically this year, and yeah, we're getting it up to what I would say is show spec, but at the same time I'm getting her up to, you know, maybe have some fun here and there. Whoever comes about and wants to play with her, more than happy to let my foot get a bit heavy on the track. But I love your faces. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, let's get this series rolling off the ball.